You need a roof replacement for your South Elgin, Illinois home. But finding a good contractor hasn't been easy. The difficulty finding help may make you think, I can just handle the roof myself. But wait a minute, is roof installation that easy? Can you handle a residential roof replacement yourself? Well, the reality is, it's complicated. Technically, you can handle a roof replacement yourself, but you need specialized skills, and certain materials can be hard to get. DIY work may save you money and labor costs, unless you make a mistake. And DIY mistakes can cost a lot, more than hiring a professional in the first place. Hiring a residential roofing contractor means you don't have to worry about skills and materials. The contractor has that covered. In fact, the contractor will handle everything. You don't have to worry about buying roofing tools or permits. There are no safety hazards to worry about. A professional contractor is also less likely to make mistakes. Professional roof replacement comes with the benefit of knowing experienced workers can handle the job in one go. You can choose to replace your roof yourself, but you don't have to. Choosing Apex Exteriors means your search for a good residential roofer is over. We're a licensed, insured, and bonded company and have served Kane County for over 3 decades. You can rest easy knowing we have experts who work with quality materials prepared to replace your roof. Ready to begin your roofing project? Call us for a free estimate today.